Good morning, guys. Today is the start of something magical, something beautiful. You're alive and count your blessings. You woke up this morning, you're healthy, you woke up in a bed, and you have water, you have food, you have shelter. You are the bright steps of life. The universe supports you. So find yourself in a comfortable position. Either lie on your back or sit up on your feet, whatever makes you feel most comfortable. Take a nice deep inhale and exhale. Take a deep inhale. Inhale positive energy. Exhale any anxiety, stress, any energy that no longer serves you. Deep inhale. Now hold your breath at the top of your breath for 5 seconds. And now release. Let it all go. Let it all go. Now come back to your breath and be mindful of the inhale and exhalation. You are a divine individual and you are here with specific gifts. The universe has brought you into this world to share your artistry with the world. Our job is to let go of any resistance and any distractions that don't serve us. Step into your power, your creativity, and know that you're supported and the universe is pushing you and guiding you and pulling you towards specific ways, and doors are opening every single day. Abundance is everywhere. You're in this healthy, able body. You have shelter. You have friends and family who support you. The universe wants to see you thrive. Understand that there are two emotions, love or fear. We can either live out of love and in flow, or we can live out of fear, which is resistance, and we're a victim. Or we can choose at this given moment to live from love, which is our infinite source, which is our natural state, which is the way that the universe operates. At the other side of all your dreams, aspirations, goals, and desires is all operating a certain frequency of love. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Smile at the universe as you know you're taken care of, and that the universe listens and is listening to all your dreams and all your desires and is preparing you for all that you asked for. Our goal is to align our energies, align our frequencies, tune in to that space of love and infinite source. So then all these things can manifest into the real world. And so you think, then you shall experience. Our thoughts, our energy, our thoughts are tangible. Our thoughts are real. So think positive thoughts. Think thoughts that serve you, and let go of thoughts that no longer serve you. Let go of the negative self-talk that we all have. Let go of the fear-based conditioning. Let go of the scarcity mindset and step into abundance. Step into infinite love. Step into supportive environment. Step into your highest good. You are here to do something great. And the universe supports you. Just take a deep breath and just soak that in. Deep inhale and exhale. Recognize that where you are today is a co-creation of your thoughts and your actions. So if you choose to want to live in a different environment, in a different world, in a different reality, we must align our thoughts to serve us. Count your blessings and your gratitude. Think of something that you're grateful for at this given moment right now. Think of someone that you want to forgive right now. Someone pops up in your mind, that person that you have not given closure, that you've held on to, that you held on a grudge to. Send that person love. Release that person. Because as we hold grudges, it's a double-edged sword. We're hurting ourselves. So I ask you to forgive this person. Have this person in your mind and forgive them. See the innocent child within this person. See that this person was acting out of fear and seeking out for love. We all seek out for love. And sometimes we feel abandoned. Sometimes through our experiences and trauma, we act out a certain way. But it's not our true infinite source of love. So send that person compassion. As we all know, we've been there before as well. Forgive that person and say, I forgive you and I forgive myself. I forgive myself. And from this day forward, I choose love. I choose to step into my power. I choose to treat everyone that I come across with infinite source of abundance, love, support. Deep inhale and exhale. Let it all go, let it all go. Each inhale is positive energy coming in, support, high vibrations. Each exhale is releasing the old energies that no longer serve you, resentment, and anything that is just negative and filled with anxiety. Release it, release it, release it. Let's do a deep inhale and exhale. Remember, you get to decide how you want to show up today, either through love or through fear. The choice is yours. I hope that you're feeling in your power and you own your magic. You are a divine individual. There's no comparison. There's no one else out there like you. You have special gifts and talents, and you're a spiritual being having a physical experience. Honor this temple. Honor this physical body as it is navigating and it is allowing you to go about your days. Take care of your body. Fuel your body with good substance, good water, hydrate, and foods that are of high vibration. Be mindful of everything you consume, the thoughts you consume, the foods you consume, the music and the things that you listen to. and choose to navigate your thoughts and your attention towards things that you would like to manifest. Focus on good and focus on doing good in the world. How can you pay it forward? Can you share this inspiration with other people? Can you share your inspired thoughts, your inspired visions with your friends and family? Uplift others. As we help others, we help ourselves. I hope this guided meditation helped you and you're in your highest vibration before you step out into the world. I ask that you set an intention for your day. Sending you so much love and light. Thank you for listening. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, universe. And so it is. Today is going to be the most amazing day ever. And I'm smiling. Namaste. Everybody, sending you so much love. Charles, thank you. If you enjoyed this, make sure you subscribe so you get daily motivation, daily inspiration, daily recipes to fuel your highest version of yourself. Thank you.